Okay, guys, I think I have worked out the differences in regards to close-up final decisions in regards to cancellation. So what I'm going to do is walk you through it, and then I'm going to give you an example of one, Christian Welburn's final tally, where he is taking he's going to go over to next year and take a $200 credit next year. And I'll walk through his bill. And then I'm going to take Taryn Thompson's, who is a senior, should be graduating. So instead of getting $200 credit for next year, she gets $100 cash settlement for this year. And don't forget, in regards to this, that your your bill is one thing, your bank is one thing. You'll have either money or a voucher coming from Delta as well. And I will keep you informed on that. I hope that this clarifies any questions that you might have. And please show this to your parents. Get back with me if you have any questions and let me know what you intend to do. Thank you very much. I'll start you with Christian's bill here and walk you through it to show you how we get to a final update in regards to somebody that's carrying over to 2021. Christian's carrying over to 2021. He was at $909 when the cancellation came from Washington, D.C. in regards to close-up. So we started with 909, and there was a $200 penalty for the cancellation. There is another $200 that will be taken off of his bank account. However, the $200 discount will be reflected on his bill. So next year, when Christian gets his bill from close-up, it will be $200 less than what somebody else's bill might be, because close-up is going to keep $200 of that deposit that he gave to them. So that takes him down to 509. Plus, you pull the 259 off because that's going to be dealt with specifically with the airlines. So that takes him from 909 down to 500 minus 259 down to 250. So Christian's bank going into next year is $250. But remember, he also has a $200 discount on his trip. So in essence, that 250 is really 450, and he's going to get back compensation from Delta, either 259 or a voucher of 276. So his $250 is really more than that. And if you look down here on your Delta certificate, it says right here what your plane fare, where is it? Plane fare cost. His was 276. I had to buy these in three different his was 276. I had to buy these plane fares in three different installments, and the price changed as I bought them. And so his voucher would be 276. Other vouchers might be 247 because of the fact that they came in at different times. Then there was 211, which was the people that had the one-way ticket. We averaged out at 259. So these vouchers could be a little bit different. If you get cash, you'll get 259 in cash. Everybody will get the same. If you get your voucher, it will depend on what your ticket actually did cost, because it will go directly to you. Okay, let's look at Taryn Thompson's now. Taryn Thompson is a senior. So Taryn is going to take the $100 cash refund. So what do we have? She was at $867 at the time of the cancellation. You begin with her $867. Of the $867, $149 came from spaghetti dinner, and from the spaghetti dinner and from the poinsettia profit. That cannot be refunded to Taryn. So that was $718 of personal money went into her bank. So we take $718 and we subtract $300 penalty from close-up off the deposit. That leaves a $418 refund. She's also going to get some compensation from Delta, either cash or voucher. If it's cash, it's $259 because we all averaged out at $259. If it's a voucher for her, it will be $177 because her ticket was a $177 ticket right here, right there, and the voucher goes back directly to her. You have to let me know what you decide. Once you let me know what you decide, if you want to go with the $200 penalty and swing it around to next year, or if you want to go with the $300 penalty, get $100 cash back, I can do that as well. You have to be patient on all these refunds. You really do. The Delta ones are going to take a while because Delta is really backed up. Plus, I am writing to the corporate office in an attempt to get us cash back as opposed to us having to take vouchers. And in regards to Oak Ridge checks, refunds, we don't even have a secretary in the office yet that can write your refund. So this stuff is going to take a little bit while to get done. I think the key is that you understand what the final verdict is. So take a look, talk to your parents, write me an email or give me a call, and let's figure this out. Meanwhile, be patient. Summer's coming, the weather will get better, the birds are coming out, and this too will pass. See you soon. Ciao, ciao.